Welcome to the Sand Sports Super Show in Southern California. Hi, my name is Joe with AstroAI, and this is our first year attending this awesome expo. Each September, hundreds of exhibitors and thousands of attendees come together at the Orange County Fair and Event Center in Costa Mesa, California, for the biggest and most exciting dune and dirt sports expo in the world. And this year, we showed up in full force. We drew a cool crowd of folks from all over who were interested in what we had to offer. From jump starters to air pumps, and even portable freezers, we showed the people that AstroAI has something for everyone. One of the coolest parts of being at the Sand Sports Super Show was this: awesome trucks doing donuts, and don't forget these adorable little RC cars. I mean, just look at them. They're so cute. Oh, and there's Michael showing off a couple of our smart tire pumps. And one of our best-selling portable freezers, too. It was such an incredible experience to be at this expo among all the passionate people of motorsport. We even saved the day towards the end when a couple needed their stroller tire reinflated. This stroller has to be the gnarliest thing I've ever seen too, with big beefy tires. That's rad. All in all, we had a great time. Thanks to everyone who stopped by our booth. And a special thanks to the folks at Sand Sports Super Show for having us. See y'all next year.